What I'm about to show you in this video is not a DIY stuff because I'm not a licensed plumber. If you somehow experience the same issue, please contact your local plumber for help. This is my story. A couple months ago, I received my water bill and I was shocked that my water usage was skyrocketing all of a sudden. Something must have gone wrong. We are a party of 4, so we should fall into this category. And the first thing I had to do was to check the water meter to see if there was anything unusual. And apparently everything looks good and no sign of leaking. Checking all the bathroom taps, and they look good too. The kitchen sink, the laundry sink, the washing machine, all pass. So what else is wrong? There is one place that I haven't checked, which is the roof. By saying the roof, I have a solar hot water system on the roof. Because it's double story, I need to find a way how to check it. So I came up with the idea of using my newer 72-inch camera tripod that can be transformed into a monopod. This is one of investment that I do not regret, and you will see why. And once again, this is not a paid promotions, I just love this tripod. And what I'm holding right now is Manfrotto Universal Smartphone Clamp, which is I really love it. Now I'm removing the panoramic ball head. This comes with the tripod when I purchase it. And now I'm set. I'm using a ladder and trying to stand on it as firm as possible at this windy condition. I don't see any leaking coming out of the solar hot water system at the west side of the roof. But when I turn my camera a bit to the left, I can see that this side of the roof is wet, so something is not right. So when I take a closer look again to the left, bingo! It looks like the frost valve is busted. So I rang a few plumbers to get a quote, and the cheapest I got was $350 to replace the valve. But he also quoted $135 if I wish to disconnect the solar hot water system. He reckoned that it was probably cheaper and easier, considering that the hot water system was old already. So I went ahead with his recommendation to disconnect the solar system instead. I don't know what it is, but he did remove something from inside this controller. That was quick and easy and job done in less than 15 minutes. So I thought, until 2 hours later. The hot water system was combusted because it kept boiling and boiling for non-stop. So I had to turn off the gas switch to stop it from boiling. So I quickly called the plumber again and asked him to come back because I was worried about the safety issue. It turned out the heat controller is broken and it would cost me $350 to replace it. I told him I did not plan on spending any extra money for him to do the fixing, but got me a new one instead. So after a back and forth negotiation, I finally replaced the old solar hot water unit with a new one. But this time it would not be a solar powered one. It was in the middle of winter season, so I desperately needed a working hot water system. After all the drama, I finally have a new hot water system. So that's it from me. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. More than 99% of my viewers are non-subscriber. I would appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.